Hello everyone, welcome to ResearchRover. In this short video, you will learn a hidden Excel trick that lets you calculate sum, average and count instantly without using any formula. For this, just select your numbers and like this I am selecting all the values. Now simply look at the status bar. Here is the status bar at the bottom of Excel already gives you the answer. You just need to know where to look. Like it gives you average, count and sum. So it's the easiest way to calculate Excel auto calculate without formula in the status bar. So it will save your time. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more smart Excel and MS Word tips. Thank you.